Hey VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here, senior instructor here at our YouTube channel, and I love bringing these videos out to your attention. The cool thing about this video is many of you do not have trading plans, and many of you do. But for those who do not have trading plans, this is a simple way to create a trading plan to help you to consistently make money in the market. And I'm going to utilize a VectorVest tool to help you to accomplish that with very little work on your side. So let's talk about what a trading plan entails. It entails three things, and really primarily three things: knowing when to buy, knowing what to buy, and knowing when to sell. And with that information written down and knowing what to do and when to do it will greatly increase your chances of consistently making money in the market. And folks, that's what we're all here for. And that's what my job is, to help to put you on the right path to be able to do just that. Let's start with the first thing, knowing when to buy. As we get into the VectorVest software, knowing when to buy is a matter of market timing. For those of you who feel that you cannot time the market, folks, I'm here to tell you that you can. We follow the trend of the market, and we keep our subscribers on the right side of the trends pretty much all the time. So we don't predict where the market is going to go today or next week or next year, but we keep our subscribers on the right side where the market is trending, whether it's up or whether it's down, and give you the signals to know when it's okay to buy. You need to know when to buy. Now, let's do this. I'm going to bring up a market timing graph. Now, why do we use market timing, or what do we use for market timing? We use something called the VVC, or VectorVest composite. It tracks the movement of over 9,000 stocks. 9,000, that's a lot of stocks in one ticker symbol, and we feel that it's a better representation of the broad market move and the trend for you to be on at the right time. Now, I'm going to start off with our day trading timing signal. Folks, we do this every day in our day trading room known as the Derby. And this morning I ran the Jockey Club. And what I was saying is, even though the market fell at this morning, here was the level of the gap in the morning. And I wanted to see if the market had the wherewithal to break through the gap to show that we had upside potential. And boy, did we get it. I'm going to put that trading signal on. And again, it's called the DTI combo. You need to have real time, and you need to have VectorVest to see it. Nobody else has this for you. And I can put on that DTI layout. Let's go add parameter of the DTI. And I'm going to bring which is known as the Derby timing indicator. And it's got levels to let you know when it's okay from a day trade perspective to be in the market. We've got a sweet spot. This indicator is cast on a scale between 0 and 2. The sweet spot is 1.20. And when either the bullish or the bearish indicator gets above that value, we know that that's the right side or the right trend of the market at that time, even on a day trade level. Currently, from a day trade perspective, it's okay to be long in the market, even though the market pulled back because of the PPI report this morning. But look at the market's resolve to keep moving higher. And from a day trading perspective, we've got a signal for you. Now, that's the fastest indicator we have. If I go down to where it says DTI combo and change to the most confirm, or the most slowest timing signal, the confirm call, let's go put this on a 3-month graph. It will give you signals as well. Here's an up call, and that up call happened on January 9th of 2023 and lasted to February 16th. All right, which is today. It's still a long call. The last down call we had is on 12/15/2022 that lasted up until January 9th. Folks, I challenge anybody to go back in time and look at what was going on in the market and see if our calls were on point. Now, this is the slowest, most conservative call, so it's not designed to get you in at market bottoms or get you out at market tops, but it will keep you on the right side of the trend. Notice the market's trending down here. Boom. Great time to short the market. Or right now, currently rising higher, a good time to be long in the market. So understanding the when to buy from a market timing perspective is there for you. If I click on the confirm calls, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including the day trading timing signal to keep you guys knowing when it's okay to be in the market or not be in the market or play the market to the downside. So that's going to cover your when to buy. Now let's talk about what to buy. And from there, we go to the Unisearch tool. And folks, we've got a lot of folders of Unisearches or scans to help you to find the right stocks that fit you. Now, understanding your what to buy has to deal with the type of investor you are. The worst thing you want to do is try to be in a speculative or aggressive stock, knowing that overall you're a conservative investor. Matching the stocks up to the type of investor you are is so very important. Now, there's 4 different types of investors for the most part. We have the conservative investors, so we have Search is conservative. And then also along with that, we have Search is retirement for the more conservative investor. Well, let's go say that you're a little bit more aggressive. That's okay, because we have Search is aggressive. That's ideally suited for the more aggressive trader. Then we have Search is prudent. That's the middle of the road. I want to make money, but I don't want to take on a whole lot of risk. Well, then that becomes your prudent investors. And last but not least, if you're speculative and you want to throw caution to the wind, guess what? We have Search is speculative for you as well. So with all of that being said, all of these different searches are here. And if you had to go through and do a lot of work to see what searches were working and which searches weren't, that's a lot of work on your part. Folks, we do the work, you reap the rewards. Now, the last part of your trading plan is knowing when to sell. And folks, that is the biggest part of it all. How many times have you been in a stock that was up a lot and you wanted to be a little greedy and take as much as you can, and finally when it goes down, you get out of it with a little bit of a gain or even somewhat of a loss? Understanding when to get out of a stock is so important to maximize your profits and continue to grow your portfolio. So with that being said, understanding when to buy, market timing, understanding what to buy, depending on how you invest in the market, choose the right stock for your investment style, and knowing when to sell, utilizing the right stops to get you out of a stock is so important. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. What if I told you there's a tool within the VectorVest system that will lay it out for you very easily, and all you got to do is follow it? Well, if you're interested, then we're going to go to the Viewers tab. And from the Viewers tab, we have something called the Trading Systems Viewer. Folks, this will put everything at your fingertips to know what to do and when to do it. I've got this viewer set up currently, is sorted by 1 year. What systems have worked the best over the last year? And look at this at the top of the list: the Comeback Kids and Ballistic New High Short. So this buys stocks long and sells stocks short. This is an aggressive search or aggressive category. So if you're not aggressive, then maybe this is not what you want, even though you like the results. It uses the market timing of the green light buyer RT kicker. And as you get more acclimated to the VectorVest system, you'll understand all of those different timing signals and how they work. Let's take a look. Over the last month, up about 4%. Wow. Over the last 3 months, up 15.4%. And over the last year, up over 81%. Now, the first thing people are going to say is, wait a minute. That's the past. Why can't you get me in before all of this happens? Well, technically we could. All I'm showing you is what they've done over the last 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. And guess what? That gives you an idea of something that is currently working in the current market's conditions. And you can now jump on board with it as long as the market's conditions are conducive to this system still moving higher. How do I know? Well, I'm going to use the market timing. If the market timing is still in tune, if it's still up, I can still jump on board with it now. What will happen when it goes down? Well, it's going to switch and it's going to start to short stocks. And it will tell you exactly when it does that. Now, something else I want you to take a look at is drawdown. That's the biggest pullback in your portfolio over this time period, 19.3%. Well, that may not be great for a lot of people, but for a lot of people, you'll say, I can deal with that if I can get 81% gain over the last year. Year to date right now, from January 3rd until right now, it's still up 17.8%. That's not half bad. So let's say you're more conservative and you want to look for conservative category, sort by category. Let's go down and look at the conservatives. Here they are. Now, it's not a lot, but let's go look at what we got going on here. Here's one that's up over the last month, the last 3 months, but down for the last year. You'll also see the equity curve. Year to date, though, it's up 10.6%, 19.2 also 1 year drawdown. Maybe. Let's go look down the line here. How about here? Blue chip bargains, VST/RT, profit locker, conservative. That is the stop. Also using the RT kicker, 8.3 over the last month, 7.4 over the last 3 months, and 12% over the last year. For the year to date, up 13%, a little less drawdown, a little less big pullback in your portfolio. You'll also see if you need add-ons to trade this system, we'll let you know what add-ons are needed here as well. All right. So now let's do this. Let's sort by the 1 year drawdown, which has had the lowest drawdown. Lowest drawdown, but has made money. 12.8%. Show me the money. Trailing stop 20, up a little bit for the month, up 18% over the last 3 months, up 32% for the year, and year to date from January up 9.9 with a 12% drawdown, 12 or 13% drawdown. Folks, we laid out. Let's say you like this. Let's say you like this, and you say, all right, I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to trading systems details. This is where it's all laid out for you to tell you exactly what to do. It does show you the equity curve from the time of inception until right now. Over the last 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, 3 year, gives you a lot of information. And it also shows you the current stocks that it's holding right now and where they sit as far as return on investment. Now, I'm going to minimize this. Oops, no, I needed that. Let me go bring that back up again. I needed that because right here is the trading systems rules. This is where it's laid out. We're going to click on it, and here's the rules. Show me the money long with a trailing stop of 20%, T20. It's using the RT kicker combo. Trading mode, buys long. On the fill mode, it's going to use show me the money long. Stop, 20% trailing. More info, try to maintain 10 stocks, automatically replace closed positions. Folks, it lays it out for you. Now, when this system gives you a down call, it automatically goes to cash. On the neutral, no action. So for those of you who don't like to short stocks, this is ideal suited for you. Only on the up signal using this call, you're in show me the money long. When it gives you a neutral signal, it's just going to hold stocks for you. Folks, I love that it lays it out for you exactly what you want to do. All right, so I did that by way of the 1 year drawdown. Let's go back to the 1 year. Let's go see what's rocking and rolling and do the same thing. I'm going to right click on this, nicely up, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, year to date. I don't like the drawdown possibly, but for many of you, it may be right in your wheelhouse. Let's right click. Let's go look at the trading systems detail. And this one, look at the equity curve. I like the equity curve. All right, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, 3 year, the stocks that it's currently holding right now. Let's go to the trading systems rules. And again, it's laid out for you right now. Trading mode long on the upside, using comeback kids. The stop is a 99% gain or a 15% loss. This gives these stocks the ability to rock and roll, but you're going to get out of them at a 15% loss. Hold 10 positions, automatically replace. Again, it lays this out. I like the maximum percentage of stocks average volume, only 10%. On the downside, it's going to sell short. So it's going to automatically get out of the longs, get you into the shorts. The shorts are going to have a stop of a 65% gain or 15% loss. Do not repurchase the same stock for 31 days. That's for the wash rule. On the neutral, no action. Whether it's to the upside or to the downside, it's just going to hold the stocks. But folks, it lays it out for you what you need to do. And this tool can be set up any which way you want to do to find out what's working now. Let's sort by the last 1 month. What's working now? Biggest bargains, no more mojo, up 18% in 1 month. Let's sort it by 3 months. What's up for the most in 3 months? Biggest bargains, no more mojo, 22%. Let's see what's up for the year. Then we've got the comeback kids and ballistic new highs. Folks, year to date, let's go see what's going on for the year to date. Woof, bottoms up, 50-10. 28%. Now, you'll also notice on some of these searches that, or some of these systems, you're going to have add-ons. Whichever systems that require add-ons, we'll let you know. And if you don't have the add-ons, then look for a system that doesn't require an add-on, and we'll make life easier for you. Folks, if you're looking for a way for a system to write out for you pretty much your when to buy, your what to buy, and when to sell, this is the tool for you. Folks, you do realize that you can take advantage of the VectorVest system for 99 cents for 30 days. Folks, if this is not an incentive for you to do it, I don't know what is. And if you want to see more tools that we have within the VectorVest system, let me know. Let me know in the comments what tools within VectorVest you would like to see me do a video on to help you in your pursuit to making better decisions more consistently. Folks, with that, I invite you to look around in our channel. We've got a lot of great content out there. Check it out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button. Let people know what we're doing here on VectorVest. With that, see ya. I'm out of here.